Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Friday through Monday, August 19 to 22. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000. Well, low pressure area 93W is now within the Philippine area of responsibility, approximately 980 kilometers east of Cagayan province in northern Luzon. And it's currently at 17.6 north latitude, 131.4 east longitude based on the 2 p.m. Satellite fix. And as of this time, its development remains little with poor organization as the system is expected to move slowly towards the west. And there is a new forecast based on the reliable computer models, and it's now showing a curvature track towards Taiwan and Okinawa. So we are going to show to you in a while the two computer models, the American and the European model, on where the system will go. So this is good news for the folks down there over extreme northern Luzon. However, since the system will come closer to Batanes, there will be a slight enhancement of the southwest monsoon, bringing some rains across the western sections of the country. So expect to bring your umbrellas and jackets once again because of this weather disturbance. And the development of this is might be an active LPA or even a tropical depression, and it's no longer expected or forecast to become a tropical storm or a typhoon. But once again, every day new forecast arises, so we are going to observe this system through the weekend. We still have the southwest monsoon keeping a punch here across the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea area, affecting the Scarborough Shoal and also over the Calayan Island Group and the western coastline of Luzon. So there are some thunderstorms that will be expected as well across the western sections of central and northern Luzon through the afternoon or evening, while some parts of the Bicol region, Visayas, will also have isolated rain showers and thunderstorms because of the surface trough, which is connected from low pressure area 93W. And if you take a look at the fast animation, there you go. This is from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. Thunderstorms, these are large thunderstorms occurring across central Luzon, so there might be a threat of flooding, so take all necessary precautions. While the thick cloud bands moving across the Bicol region has dissipated, and it's no longer expected to bring rain showers and thunderstorms, only small areas of the Bicol region. And here's the LPA, which is quite disorganized as of this time. Zoom in satellite animation from windy.com as we speak right now, from 12 noon up to 6 p.m. Here's the LPA that we are monitoring. It's still quite disorganized, and the rain bands from the surface trough moving towards the Bicol region has started to dissipate. So there will be some calm weather all throughout the Bicol region, but some thunderstorms will still persist in various sections of the Visayas, including Panay, Iloilo, Guimaras, and Negros Island, and also over the western sections of northern and central Luzon, including Metro Manila. There will be severe thunderstorms that could generate some flooding over low-lying areas. So that's the latest from our zoom-in satellite animation. Now let's take a look at the rain forecast through Monday. Tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, again, thunderstorms will be expected in various sections of the country. Also on Sunday. And on Sunday, there will be some troughing from this LPA that could bring more thunderstorms in various sections of Luzon, including Mindoro. And on Monday, the low pressure area will continues to drift westward closer to extreme northern Luzon, but no landfall is expected based on the forecast, okay? But let's see in the coming days. And thunderstorms will again persist with some light southwesterly to westerly winds that could generate some thunderstorms across Visayas, Bicol region, and the rest of Luzon. Tuesday afternoon, The LPA will start to move towards the north in the general direction of Taiwan-Okinawa Area, and the southwesterly wind flow will continue to affect Luzon, including western Visayas. So there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, while over at Mindanao, the usual localized thunderstorms will be expected over this island. And let's take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the American model. So this is now the forecast for 93W. Let's move it on Sunday afternoon. Here we go. The LPA might become a tropical depression based on the American model. On Monday, it will move more to the west. Then Tuesday, it will start to become disorganized, probably because of increasing wind shear or increasing vertical wind shear. On Wednesday, it's now moving towards the north or northeast in the general direction of the southern islands of Japan. Thursday, and it's approaching Okinawa and exiting the Philippine areas of responsibility by Thursday evening. Now let's take a look at the European model. European model shows the potential tropical depression east of Cagayan. Monday afternoon, it will move closer to Batanes, but still quite a distance. Okay. Tuesday afternoon, it will start to move towards the north. It's already to the east of Batanes or Itbayat Island, about 200 kilometers or more. Then on Wednesday, it is now to the northeast of Batanes, moving slowly towards the Yaeyama Island chain of Taiwan. Actually, this is also a part of Japan, but it's closer to Taiwan, and moving towards Okinawa as well. Thursday afternoon, it will dissipate into a low pressure area and exit PAR near the vicinity of Okinawa along the Ryukyu Islands. So that's the forecast so far. So we have a slight southwesterly surface wind flow, a weak habagat, and that's the latest so far until Thursday. So there will be no Philippine landfall. Once again, this system might recurve towards the north, but we will keep you updated this coming Monday. But if ever it becomes a tropical depression, we will be issuing YouTube and Facebook video updates during the weekend. If not, if it does not develop on Monday, we will return with our usual weather analysis. Okay, so that's the latest for this weekend. We'll be back again on Monday. This is Mike Padua reporting. Happy weekend to all. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel.